if it's going to be like this, it's not going to work out for me. It's not so easy to get work. All men are very simple. जब उनको
All
अपनी
men.
बंदी मिल जाती है, I think that is what their world revolves around. Hi guys, my name is Jibran Khan and you're watching me only and only on Peeping Moon.
Hello, this is Tanu and welcome to Peeping Moon. Today we have Jibran Khan. Hi Jibran, how
Hi
are you?
Tanu, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. अभी आपने वर्ल्ड कप देखा?
जी ऑफ कोर्स मैंने टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैंने सिर्फ सेमीफाइनल और फाइनल देखा. मैं पूरा बाकी का टूर्नामेंट मैंने मिस कर लिया था क्योंकि आई वाज प्रमोटिंग और रात तक हालत खराब हो रही थी. बट सेइंग दैट आई लव माय इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम. आई एम अ बिग चीयरलीडर. मेरे लिए क्रिकेट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं आईपीएल भी छोड़ता नहीं हूँ. मैं हर मुंबई इंडियंस की मैच देखने जाता हूँ.
So you're a Mumbai Indian person.
Yes, of course. I'm a big Rohit Sharma fan for Mumbai Indians. But when it comes to Team India, it is all of them. I really look up to Virat Kohli, and yeah, Rohit Sharma तो है ही हमारे. So I love Rohit Sharma.
क्रिकेट के साथ साथ जो वायरल हो रहा था वो विराट अनुष्का का बॉन्ड नॉर्मली वो कितना प्यारा लग रहा था. आप कैसे देख रहे थे उसको? आपके लिए क्या लगता है कि मेरे लिए तो बहुत पर्सनल था कि पता नहीं कोई ऐसा एग्जिस्ट भी करता है कि नहीं.
Honestly, मैंने ये वीडियो तो नहीं देखा, but without saying,
was talking to Anushka.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that. But saying that it's not only this one video. वो हर मैच के बाद I think जब भी जीतते एक FaceTime कॉल होता ही है उनका. But saying that, I think they are one of the most beautiful love stories the world has ever witnessed. And like anybody else, even we would like to have something like that in life, which is so organic, which is so pure. एक purity है उनमें. And they are just setting up benchmarks every day. Like even अभी आपने World Cup का कहा. Again, it's a benchmark. So I just hope in life we all get that. I wish you get that. I wish I get that. So
do you think ऐसे guys, since you're a guy, do you think ऐसे guys exist करते हैं जो मतलब every little and big thing सब first thing share करना है? Like after the match he called Anushka.
Of course, I feel that, and I don't think so. I think I don't know. I just feel all men are very simple. जब उनको अपनी बंदी मिल जाती है, I think that is what their world revolves around. For me, at least, it's very simple. You know, it's about, for me, it's my family, it's my best friends, and whoever my girl will be in life, it's all about her. I have also been like this. Small things, whether it's a victory, whether it's a loss, I call because that's what the comfort you feel. And I feel men are very simple when it comes to these things. It's just that कहीं वो चीजें अभी समाज की वजह से मिसअंडरस्टूड हो जाती है. लोग देखते नहीं है. बट आई कैन एक्चुअली वाउच एंड से माय डैड डज दिस. ही लीव्स द हाउस, वेदर ही इज ट्रैवलिंग, वेदर ही इज गोइंग फ्रॉम समवेयर. वो यहाँ तक कि जो गाड़ी में उसका भी नंबर भेजते हैं ग्रुप पे. यू नो, सो it is these details which they share.
What is your ideal kind of love? Not the girl, but the love.
Okay, my ideal form of love is something which feels like home. You know, घर वाली feeling आनी चाहिए. क्योंकि जब आप थक हार के घर आते हो एक पूरा दिन, वो भी थक हार के जब घर आए, एक पीसफुल एनवायरनमेंट होना चाहिए. You know, it should be like, okay, like you and me should discuss. Our day was like that. You know, this is what went wrong. This is what went right. There should be some kind of calmness in the energy. If it's going to be wired, if it's going to be like this, it's not going to work out for me. For me, that is what an ideal relationship is, what home is.
Why everyone wants old school love and why modern school love is so flawed? What is your take on it?
I don't think so that modern school love is flawed. I really don't think so. I feel people want old school love because who wants old school love? The millennials. If you ask the Gen Zs these questions, they are not going to turn around and say the same thing. I don't think it is flawed. It's just the perception about love keeps changing with every generation. वो young है, that doesn't mean that उनके प्यार में शिद्दत कम है. I just feel the patience is less. At least this is from my personal experience. I can say that youngsters know, like Gen Zs, their love has a little taste to it. They know what they want. अगर वो चीज नहीं मिलती है तो move on. I think in our generation, my generation as a millennial, I feel like there is still some way to compromise. There is still some room to give. You know, let's think. And yeah, that's about it.
And what are the green flags in a relationship you want? And what are reds?
Reds are, I feel disloyalty, I feel disrespect, I feel questioning things which don't exist and overthinking. These are red flags for me. But these are the no say. I mean, these are, everyone knows these are the common ones, but for me, these are the biggest ones. When it comes to green flags, I feel green flags is somebody who can listen, somebody who has the understanding of the heart beyond the physicalities, and I think somebody who understands food. For me,
Food.
that's a very big
That's
thing.
why you open
Yeah, of
garden.
course, because I'm a big foodie. Yeah.
So you both want to own a cafe.
Yes, many more, 100 more groundeds inshallah in life. Yeah.
एंड आपको वो चीजें मिली हैं बचपन में, मतलब वो उतने एक्टर्स के साथ काम मिले जो लोग ड्रीम करते हैं सिर्फ.
जी.
सो हाउ डज इट फील्स टू बी गॉड्स फेवरेट?
God's favorite. That's a very sweet way of putting it. I've never thought of it like this, but yes, now that you're saying it, I take a lot of pride in it. मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करता हूँ जो मैंने अचीव किया है एक बहुत ही कम उम्र में, इतने बड़े दिग्गजों के साथ काम करके. एंड आई थिंक वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे साथ एक परछाई है जो हमेशा रहती है और रहेगी. तो इट इज जस्ट अ ब्लेसिंग, एंड लाइक यू सेड, if I'm God's favorite child, I hope I can recreate the same thing in the near future and work with all of them again. Not even one person. I want to work with all of them again.
I was reading about you, तो मुझे पता चला कि आप ब्रह्मास्त्र में एज अ असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर थे. कैसा था एज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर काम करना?
Tanu, it is the biggest film school I could have ever gone to. I have learned the basics of everything. Not only basics, ब्रह्मास्त्र एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जो इतनी एडवांस थी फॉर इट्स टाइम. अभी तो सभी बना रहे हैं. एक कल्कि आ रही है which is sci-fi and all of that, but जो अयान का विजन था वो टाइम पे एंड टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट, मैंने बहुत सीखा है मैम. मतलब वो एक अलग से इंटरव्यू होगा उसके ऊपर, क्योंकि इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. बट जस्ट टू हैव दैट ऑनर टू वर्क ऑन सेट विद अयान, विद रणबीर, विद आलिया, Mr. Bachchan, Nagarjuna sir, I felt a lot of creative satisfaction when I worked on that film, and it kind of formed a very different perception about filmmaking for me. आज मैं जब कोई भी फिल्म देखता हूँ मैं उनकी धज्जियां नहीं उड़ा देता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे आज एक वैल्यू है कि एक फिल्म बनती कैसे है, कितनी मेहनत से बनती है, कितने लोगों का सैक्रिफाइस होता है. सो this is something which I feel everyone should learn, you know.
And talking about Ranbir and Alia, they both are like very good actors of Bollywood. उनके साथ कैसा, मतलब क्योंकि आप सेट पे ही रहते होंगे ज्यादातर समय, तो कैसा था उनके साथ बॉन्ड और वो कैसे बातें करते हैं?
Ranbir and Alia are the most professional people I've ever met in my life. Like I told you, the learning is something. Now I know why they are superstars, because they are so professional with their work. उनका एक work ethic होता है. If there is a 8 o'clock call time, they were on set at 7:58. So that speaks a lot for a younger actor to see that. It means the world, because how are such big stars coming at this time? The way they conduct themselves on set, the way they do their scenes, their approach. I was privileged enough to be at this distance with them and learn so much from them. And वो एक ऐसी चीजें हैं जो बिना सीखे ही आदमी सीख जाता है. So I just hope somewhere in my life I can also have that kind of impact on somebody younger than me who's trying to make it to films, because they have just impacted me in such different ways. I don't even think so they know this, but I still remember so many things about them, which I try to use in my day-to-day life when I'm on set. So it's a blessing, yeah.
And now as an actor, आप किन लोगों के साथ, किन actors के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं?
सबके साथ. मैं चूजी बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ.
फैन लोग किसी को तो adore करते ही होंगे ना?
It's always Shahrukh sir. I don't think so. I've never.
You've already worked with him.
I want to work again with him. How many ever times is less. But Shahrukh sir for me is my number one. Yeah.
Apart from cricket, और क्या देखते हो आप टीवी पर? बिग बॉस देखते हो?
नहीं. मैं पहले बहुत देखता था. अभी इतना नैक नहीं रहा. बट पहले मैं बहुत देखता था. मैं बहुत.
कौन सा सीजन देखा है?
मैं काफी, I think 4-5 seasons तक बहुत देखा था.
अच्छा, एकदम
yeah, when Salman sir also used to do it, I used to keep watching.
अभी OTT आ रहा है. OTT देखा?
अभी नहीं देखा है, बट मैंने थोड़ा अनिल सर को तो देखना है, तो मैं वो देखता हूँ.
अच्छा, आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी कुछ हैं तो आप बता दो.
नहीं, to be very honest, I haven't signed anything. I am definitely reading and looking for stuff. I'm auditioning already. But yes, the hustle is on. Inshallah, it's not so easy to get work. But अभी लोगों ने काम देखा है. I hope और भी देखे and उससे काम मिले. So it's all good, यार. It's a process.
Okay. Thank you, Zubran.
Thank
It
you
was
so
really
much.
nice talking to you.
Always.